In this video, we're going to continue looking at strings and string methods. And let's start with the string method that will convert our text, our string, to a different case or different capitalization. So if I go in here and let's say cheese 3 is equal to cheese dot, because this is a method, you have your object that you're going to work on, dot, and then the function or method, and for uppercase, the str.upper method. So now if I print cheese 3, you'll see that it will be in all uppercase. So using the upper method allows me to convert to uppercase. Well, if I've got an upper method, you can probably guess that I have a method to convert it to lowercase. And we'll print that again. And that converts every character to lowercase. Now, blank spaces aren't affected. Punctuation's not affected. Numbers are not affected. Just alphabetic characters. We also have the ability to capitalize the first word of every, or first character rather, of every word in a string. And I can use the title method for that one. And now I can see that capitalize the N, the M, the first character of every word in the string. If I want to just capitalize the first character in a string, let me change not to lowercase, the N in not. I can use the capitalize method. And when I run it now, you'll see the N in not is capitalized. Now there's a little idiosyncrasy, I guess you could say here, with the capitalized. If I put even a single space before the first alphabetic character and run it, notice the N in not is not capitalized. So the only time the capitalized method works is if the first character in the string is the character that gets capitalized. If you have a number, a space, anything else, then it won't capitalize it. So if I change that, even put a 1 and no space there, it still won't capitalize the N in not. So when you're doing the capitalize method, you need to be careful that there's no spaces in your string before the first character, or it won't capitalize that first character. So those are 4 very common string methods. Upper and lowercase are used probably the most, with, I would think, title next. We can use those methods as well as others we're going to look at in order to clean up our strings. When you're using data entry from a user, you never know what they're going to enter, what kind of capitalization and things, and this will let you clean up that information. Now, if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe.